Also be joining him on stage. We have Gyptian, the serious time singer, who is ready to blaze a fire, as well as other acts who will also be joining the lineup.
Okay, so Sting still continues. He's going forward. When Cartel announced his show, a lot of people were saying that we don't need to have a Sting this year.
Lang nah stop.
No, Lang will not have it.
And you want to know what? It's just more promotion and tourism around that time of year anyway. So there's definitely gonna
another
be enough,
Christmas party.
Yes, enough people will be there to fill up all this
Christmas, New Year vibes. Of course, Boxing Day is my birthday, so that's a big deal right there. That's a big deal.
Big
so,
Capricorn energy.
Sting has to go on. I mean,
Yes, of course.
It's my birthday party.
Aight.
Yeah.
And will you be in the jam down for the festivities?
Actually, it looks like I'll probably be in Guyana on the 26th. Yeah.
Nice.
So.
Okay, bringing it in still in a boxing day way.
Yeah, definitely.
So, talking about bucks down. Hey, Vybz Kartel credits his fiance, his one burner for life, for this new chapter that he's proclaiming.
Yeah.
I'm love her, you see?
He said he's no longer the Gallis, he's the one burner.
What is the history of that line, the one burner? What is the significance of that?
Well, when you have a stove that can have many burners on it, where you put many pots on the stove, or you have a single burner stove.
I see.
Right? Only one pot on your stove. Yeah. So yeah, one burner.
And it's a bubble. All right.
Yeah.
Look at that. Thank you for that little history right there. Well, this is a surprising transformation for the Gallis, because he talked about the ramping shop. He's the world boss. And don't forget Teacher's Pet, where he had many women vying for his attention.
Yep. Love them.
Tender touch them. Hey,
different, yeah, every day. All
right. Well, women grow up and men grow up. It is not unique to dancehall. It's just a human thing.
That's what he says.
Big words.
So, long hailed as dancehall's most controversial figure, Vybz Kartel has often commanded the spotlight with his edgy lyrics and his unfiltered persona. But since he has been released from jail, Kartel has begun showing surprising transformation, captivating fans and critics alike. Now, once known as the ultimate Gallis, with the hits The Rampage Shop, the world boss has embraced his new image, one marked by maturity.
I think it's ironic. Of course, an introspection. I think it's ironic as well that Shawty has yet to really come to the forefront and say anything, which means that she's, moved on and is hopefully happy for her baby father.
Oh, she said some things.
What she said?
When you make it a point to say that you're not saying anything.
Which is really saying something.
Right, that's really saying something. And so she's made a point to make everybody know, look, I'm not talking about that. So we know she's seeing it, and obviously it's, there's some sort of impact. Shawty, the longtime baby mother of Vybz Kartel and mother of his two boys, at least. The two eldest children, I believe.
Yeah, Little Addie and
Vybz, Little Vybz and Little Addie. So, after I think were they still together when he went in, or I don't know.
I think he got news that maybe there was some infidelity, and then
no, she was one of the burners at the time. And now so maybe she just wanted to be back in the rotation.
I see.
And now he's the one.
And the one pot of bubble already.
There you go.
It's a guan.
So, not that she said anything, because she's saying that she's not saying anything.
Right, okay.
So
and that's fair enough.
That's what that is. Yeah. So, but hey, nothing wrong.
Big up on
with
themselves. Love is love.
He's following in my footsteps.
Right?
Showing you how to do the one burner thing right.
All right, yeah. Let him know how it's done.
Yes,
Let him know how it's done.
Yes.
And that's a real mature step for him. I'm happy for him. Now,